In the following tutorial, we show you how you can use the memory adjustment function to make coding controls even more efficient. In the following, we show how you can save the various adjustments and change them at any time. With the help of the adjustment memory function, you can quickly and easily switch between previously carried out and saved adjustments at any time. This is particularly important on complex components that require a wide variety of adjustments due to their surface or geometry. Let's start first in our main menu and navigate there to the Adjustment tab. Let's see which adjustment is active in the Settings menu. This is the 2-point adjustment. This adjustment is currently active. An active adjustment can be written into adjustment memory at any time. Let's go a step back and now select the Adjustment Memory submenu. Here we just select Save To, and you see the corresponding submenu directly. The device offers 9 memory locations for the adjustments. In our example, we write the current adjustment in memory 1 and confirm it. For a better illustration, we will show this with a second adjustment. We navigate back to the settings and carry out a zeroing adjustment and start it. The zeroing adjustment is now the active adjustment and we can write it into the adjustment memory. To do this, navigate back to the adjustment memory in the Adjustment tab and to save to and occupy memory space 2. From now on we have 2 adjustments in memory that we can call up at any time. Let's switch to the Recall From menu. In this menu, you can see that adjustments are stored in memory 1 and memory 2. Written memories are shown in black letters. Unused memories are shown in gray. For our measurements, we can now switch between the 2-point adjustment and the 0 adjustment at any time. Simply select the appropriate memory and confirm. As soon as an adjustment has been called up, all new measuring points are created with the corresponding adjustment.